Valued customers, the SART's risk sector is under FART control. Federal Arts Response Team firmly wish all valued customers to stay normal and leave this flagrant art hazard zone. This precinct is now under FART control. This precinct is now under FART control. Excellent. Customers are permitted to remain alert but not alarmed as our friendship with agent stewards establish secure access to the contagion zone. We will relaxed comfortably advise our valued customers not to hold any unorthodox cultural values. Stick with what you know. FART dominant. Our customer service authorities are trained to discriminate against original concepts and have been instructed not to recognize bicycle paths as serious economic infrastructure. Federal Arts Response Team, there will be no resistance. Surrender or hope.
Consumers attention without necessary cultural flourishes. Federal Arts Response Team. Do not remove your garments.
Full brief. We've arrived just in time.
Cultural extinguishment protocol engaged. Prejudicial exertion commencing. Suppression release counting. 3, 2, 1. Catastrophic levels of cultural pathogens have been detected in the decontamination zone. All customer friendship authorities are directed to evacuate the cultural extinction precinct. This is a consumer friendship emergency. All customers and authorities must exit the arts bestseller sector. Do not remove your infection control securitives. Commence emergency sterilization procedure. 3, 2, 1. The Federal Arts Response Team. Upsetting levels of emotional and conceptual discharge imminent. Unhinged ideation or corruption. Uplifting experiences. Do not approach the Federal Arts Response Team units. Infected Federal Arts Response Team units unfit for duty or unable to prevent contemporary cringe performance.